guys, this is my first toy review ever. This will be fun to do. So today I'm going to be reviewing these cool Rubik's Cubes. They're not the Rubik's company, so I don't know why I'm calling them Rubik's Cubes, just cubes. And I've actually solved this one before. At the end of the video, I'll end it with me solving it. So first we're going to start out with a 2x2 here. Moves nice, just moves nice. You can turn it really fast. Dropped it. Okay, so next the 3x3. Same thing, it just moves nice. All of these move good. The thing is, it's a bit harder than the 2x2 because, you know, it's just because it's, you know, just has more pieces and stuff. Now the 4x4, basically the same, just harder, moves good, just pyramids. This is the one that I've solved before. I really like it because, well, probably just because I'm good at solving it. And it's fun to mess around with. Now last but not least, the hexaminx, which most I've ever got was 3 sides, but that's not a lot compared to all of this size. Again, moves really nice. Okay, now I'm going to end off the video with me solving this. Sorry. Okay, one side. I'm not that good at solving it compared to most people. Most people can solved. Well, not most people, just a lot of people can quickly solve it. Before I ran on a timer and I solved it in about 2 minutes. Sometimes I go faster, of course. I'm kind of getting stuck on this part here. Solved. Right as I say it, I'm getting stuck. I solved it. Bye. Hope you enjoyed the video. Dab. 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 Bye.